Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, featured in iridium metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 5.3 liter V8 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, Bluetooth, cargo bed lighting. Some safety features include parking sensors, lane keep assist, hill descent control, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have our memory seating up top, and below that we have our front and rear powered windows, our power lock and unlock, and our powered mirrors. Some cup holders and storage on the bottom, as well as our premium Bose speaker. There's some Denali badging along the side, and we have our power seating and power lumbar to the left of the front seat. We can go ahead and step inside here. Just to the left we have our lighting controls, our 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive. We can go ahead and start up the vehicle. In the middle here we have our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel we have our cluster controls as well as our phone controls. To the left we have our cruise control as well as our forward collision and our heated steering wheel. We can go ahead and check out the backup camera. And in the infotainment screen here we have our radio, as well as we can connect a phone for Bluetooth. Below that are the controls for the infotainment, and below that we have a dual zone climate control. And just to the side here we have the heated and ventilated seats. Below that we have some of our safety features as well as our cargo bed lighting, our parking sensors, lane keep assist, hill descent control. Below that we have 2 USB plug-ins as well as 2 12 volts and a 3-prong. 2 cup holders here. We can take a look at the center console. We also have a 12 volt in here and 2 USB plug-ins. You can take a look at the rear view mirror, which has the OnStar and SOS. And then just above that we have 2 dome lights as well as our power sunroof controls. There is the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here's the wheel with GMC center cap. We have our Denali badging, chrome mirror caps, and chrome door handles with some privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back here. We have corner steps on the sides for easy access. Here's the back, which also has cargo lighting. Checking out the rear interior, here's our door. Here we have our power window, as well as some cup holders and storage. Here are the seats. Before we get in, we can just pop this up to show you some of the storage we have back here. We can go ahead and step inside. On the back of each seat we have magazine holders, and we also have a 12 volt right here. Door handles on either side, as well as 2 dome lights. And just in the middle here we can pull this down for 2 cup holders / an armrest. Very comfortable and very spacious. Thanks for joining me on this quick review of the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.